UMLA ka Mawryngkneng ba HS Kharpran ula Wanrah da ka call attention hapo yeng dor bar thawan Khuborjylla halor ka jingyo Rung ki Briew ki banabar sha kani Khuborjylla haba jubab halor kani ka call attention usembut menteri rangba Khuborjylla ba prestun ten song ula ong ba kalong ka badon kam ye baro ban ai ka jinge trelang bat Khubor ba pet knang banyo tokit benya bat penshisha da kalenti ka ba day haba don kum kini ki jingjia
Mawryngkneng constituency for doubling this calling attention notice under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business under the caption Police Report Nasil Shariok Rung Ki Khar Bangladesh Shah Mawryngkneng. Sir, on the 15 December 2025, information was received from the President of the NEHU Youth Development Council that some persons suspected to be illegal migrants were detained in a vehicle at Thang Salai bypass, Mawryngkneng, East Kasil district. On receipt of the information, police personnel from Mawryngkneng police station were immediately deputed to the spot to conduct inquiry and take necessary action. Sir, upon inquiry, it was found that 7 persons along with the driver of the tourist vehicle bearing registration number ML11B 7533 had been detained by members of HYDC. These persons stated that they were residents of the Khubor district, Assam, and were traveling to Sokilo, East Janti Hills for work at a construction site. Mr. Speaker, sir, the police verified their identity documents and it was established that all 7 persons are Indian citizens. Though they were initially unable to produce their labor licenses, the matter was verified with the Labor Department, which confirmed that all the concerned laborers possess valid labor licenses issued through the concerned contractor. On completion of due verification, all the detained persons were released. Sir, it was also reported that the driver of the vehicle and some of the laborers were allegedly assaulted during the incident, for which medical treatment was provided at Mawryngkneng CHC. Subsequently, a written FIR was received from the President Yatli Lang Driver Association, and a case has been registered at Mawryngkneng Police Station under relevant provisions of the BNS, and investigation is presently underway. Sir, I would like to inform this August House that to address the challenge of illegal migration and recognizing the need for robust border and internal security management, the government has put in place a comprehensive and multi-layered anti-infiltration mechanism through the Anti-Infiltration Directorate and the district police units. Sir, at present, 18 anti-infiltration checkposts, check gates and land custom stations are operational at strategic locations along the interstate and Indo-Bangladesh borders. These are supplemented by anti-infiltration special squads functioning in all districts, which regularly conduct anti-infiltration drives, surprise Naga checks and patrolling in vulnerable areas in close coordination with the Labor Department, village defense parties, and the local authorities. Sir, 11 district task forces have been constituted across the state to detect and deport illegal foreign nationals through regular checking and coordinated enforcement involving other departments. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, these sustained measures have resulted in significant detections and enforcement outcomes from 2021 till 3 to 2026. A total of 658 Bangladeshi nationals were detected in the state and prosecuted under relevant legal provisions. During the same period, 194 Bangladeshi nationals were deported after completion of their sentence and upon obtaining the requisite travel permit from the Bangladesh Embassy. Sir, the government has further constituted a state-level committee to monitor detection, identification and deportation of overstaying foreigners in the state. Also, to address concerns regarding illegal migrants influx, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 has been made operational in selected localities of East Khasinews district. Moreover, provisions of the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025, BNS, and the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, are strictly followed to combat illegal immigration. Sir, the government also appeals to all organizations and citizens to cooperate with the authorities and allow verification to be carried out through lawful means, so that genuine Indian citizens are not harassed, and at the same time ensuring that illegal infiltration is firmly dealt with in accordance with the relevant provisions of law. Sir, with these few words, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member for tabling this calling attention notice. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat.